In a kingdom, far beyond the reaches of the known world, there lived a King Cobra named Seraph. His scales shimmered gold in the sunlight, a sight of awe-inspiring grandeur. One day, a prophecy was spoken. The kingdom was cursed, and only the King Cobra could break it. The prophecy foretold a great conflict, a choice, and a lesson for all. The conflict began when the king, fearing the prophecy, decided to leave the kingdom, abandoning his subjects. The people were left to face an impending doom alone. The choice was made by the people, who refused to succumb to despair. They rallied, determined to face the curse with courage and determination. The people, armed with hope, confronted the curse, and in their unity they found strength. They battled the curse, and in their struggle, they discovered the true meaning of resilience. The king returned, witnessing the resilience of his people. He was reminded of his duty, not just as a king, but as a protector and leader. The lesson was learned, not by the king, but by all. The people understood that even in the face of adversity, unity could break the strongest of curses. The kingdom flourished, its people strong and united, their spirit unbroken by the prophecy. The king, now a wise and compassionate ruler, guided his people towards a future of prosperity and harmony. In the end, the tale of the King Cobra was not just about a serpent and a curse, but about the power of unity and the resilience of the human spirit.